baliktad.
Anong nilalaman?
Welcome to our first get together.
Touch naman. Kakainin natin lahat yan. Ay, sana.
Nanginginig.
Guys, since October pa naman, baka abot pa sa birthday niya, kaya ang kantahan natin kay Happy Birthday.
Manager, manager.
Wala, nalagyan si Nicole ng cake.
Habang wala pa, habang wala pa, yan. Habang wala pa, kakanta muna ako. Okay, ganun pa yun.
Yeah!
Yan na po, kantahan na po natin. Si Aiza na, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy to you. Happy birthday.
Sige. Sinong kakanta ng happy birthday? Yun. No, chill. Hindi ka susunod to, no?
Guys, ano kayo?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.